Alright, bone stock, 6 Gen ZL1, 10 speed, on the dyno for a baseline. This thing is really clean. I like this car. These things are sick.
Damn, I was close. I was close. 587.
Looks like Kyle got a 6 Gen ZL1 on the lift. Blower is off. But I think the camcorder blower is already here. What else is this thing getting, man?
You got the porter blower back. Catch can package.
Very nice. Really clean car too. Love the all black. You ready to drop the oil pan?
Yes, sir. Bring this filter off.
Never know what you're gonna find.
Take the mounts out. Oh, disconnect the mounts and pull her on out.
Still crazy to me, you gotta do all this for a cam.
Yeah.
Good old LT. Ooh. He is. All for glory. Looks pretty good in there too. A little wipe down. Brand new. New parts clean is pretty nice. How's this thing treat you?
It's fine.
Pretty good?
Yes, fine.
See if I can figure this
Yeah.
All right, 2017 ZL1. I got our full stage 3. So our cam package, ATI lower balancer, 2-inch Cook setters, Rotofab big gulp, Nick Williams 103 throttle body, Kong export with a 2.6 pulley and a Motion Race Works catch can. So no meth, no flex fuel, just straight 93. So it should make, I don't know, 700, 710, something like that. The baseline 582. So it'll probably pick up 140 or so. We'll find out real quick. .687, 777 torque. There's definitely a lot more power in it too. Torque, obviously wrong. And this thing I think is maxed out on fuel system. Yeah. Fuel pressure is not happy. .734 there. Let this thing cool off for a few. Okay, let it cool down. Maybe not long, like 20 minutes probably. This thing has exactly 11,000 miles on it right now. 748, 700 torque. That's about all this thing's got. It's pretty good power, honestly, for the mods. Yeah, I think my V basically has the same thing besides a cam, and my V made 680, and this thing's making 70 more than my car. It's pretty good. Granted, V and a ZL1 a little different, but still. I'm gonna check some trans on this thing. I'll do a 4, 5, 6. Shifted, but it was really high. I'm gonna do another one though. Pretty good. I adjusted the auto upshift to shift a little lower. It shifted before, but at like 7,000. Should be like maybe 6,500 now. Actually pretty good. It's a little high, so I'm going to change it, but I'm not going to make another pull. There's no need. Other than that, this thing made killer power. I mean, picked up 170 or something. We'll put it right here, somewhere like that, like 170 or something. It's just badass for a cam ported blower, and you know, some bolt-ons. Other than that, like and subscribe. Later. Okay, all right. I know I said we ended the video, but we found an issue with the bypass valve. So we have it back on the dyno, and I just made a couple pulls to like see what it changed and make sure it was good, and it's up like 50 horsepower. So, and it's down a pound of boost. So I got that fixed, and I figured I would just come back on here and record this and record the screen. Chris isn't here, so we're not recording the outside, but that's not really going to change anything. I just made like 3 pulls, like, you know, whatever, it was warmed up, and it made 797, which we just did another one like 3 days ago, same exact thing, and it made like maybe 805 or 810. I don't remember exactly, but I was like, holy shit, that was a lot. I was like, that was a lot more than the other one we just did, which was weird. So now this all makes more sense. We figured out the issue, got it back on, and like I said, it's at 797. When it was warm, I just let it cool down for probably like half hour, maybe 40 minutes, so I might have to warm it back up a little bit. So I'm just going to do a cold pull on it and see where we're at. More than likely, it's going to make over 800. So I just figured instead of leaving the video at, I think it made like almost 750, 740 something before, 750. We would bring this back on and show that it actually picked up more once we found our little issue. When this thing warms up, I'll come back on. All right, we're warmed up. My guess is it'll make 810, maybe a little more. Maybe I'm wrong, who knows? Let's find out. It's made exactly the same. When you don't really spin these blowers really hard and you're not trying to make like big power with them, I mean, this thing's on 15 pounds. Being cooled off doesn't affect them as much as you think. I mean, that was 5 pulls in a row to a cold pull. I'll make one more pull, but exact same horsepower. figured it was going to be go up a little high. Sometimes the second pole is better. 727 torque. Either way, this thing is great. Exactly the power it should make. Straight 93 octane, 800 wheel, stage 3 package. Solid setup. I mean, we've done 2 of these in a row now, and they've both made 800. The other one I think was manual. Maybe that's why that one made a little more. I think that one made like 810 or 812, something along those lines. Either way, subscribe later.